I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say.
Hey everybody, it's Jeff with ID10T Garage and I'm back. I'm about to show you the 3D printed center console I'm working on and do some explaining and show the features and all that stuff that I've got going on with it. So let's get into Torino and see it in here. Alright, so it still needs some work. Kind of give you, so you can see how it fits. I've got speaker holes, which look like they should be good. I've got a couple features. So this goes all the way up to your dash pad. One of the big things here is these cup holders aren't going to work. They're really tiny. So I will probably have to just put one single big cup holder here down the center line. So some of the things aren't going to exactly work. So this is perfect. There's a little bit of a gap here that I've left. I'm trying to decide whether I want to fill that gap or not. But this is for a very specific slimline 9-inch A-Auto or ATOTO, whatever you want to call it, dash that I use in my car. This is a heater relocation module, and then of course just a little plate there. I'm working on some other ones. So essentially this is a modular design, and you can flip out these. So you can put in 3 of these smaller panels, or one of these bigger panels and one of the smaller panels. And then you have to kind of have this blank here at the bottom. It's kind of a filler plate. I have also made a cover for the shifter. So this is going to replace the stock cover to fit in with this. Like I said, I got to adjust the cup holders. This didn't print all the way, and I didn't have short enough screws for it, so it's got too long of screws. But as you can see, I have a nice little just kind of pull back, and it slides out the back, so that'll be a nice little feature. I still haven't rounded everything off yet, so one of the big things I need to do with this design is I need to round off the back corner. I'm gonna make this slightly smaller as well. That way it flows through here a little bit better. But I'm also going to round all these edges, and so you can kind of see it here too. So this is actually chamfered and all nice, this little piece right here. This part is not. So, but it's a cool little thing. It also has some spots in here that you can see that go up against the dash. I'm trying to show you that. And they have holes in them so you can actually mount it to the dash to secure it so it stays in place. So that was kind of part of the design. That way, you can keep it nice and tight up in here. I still got to, test this out to make sure it works accordingly. I don't know if these lights are going to shine through. Obviously the gap's a little bit not quite the where I want it. But I mean, for the most part, it is where I want it. And I'm really happy with the design itself. It fits really nice. There's some gaps here at the bottom. But, in general, this thing is going to be pretty sweet. And I just love this design because with this old console I had sitting in there, that's where my 9-inch screen sat. And my 9-inch screen was way down here and pushed back, and it just was hard to reach and hard to see while driving. So I wanted it raised up. There's also little other designs. I've got basically a Holley sniper bracket. I've got a 3-gauge cluster bracket, so you can put 2 1/16 inch gauges in it, which probably won't fit here at the top unless you modify the dash, just because it's gonna be too close. But you'd be able to put it in the middle section, so you could put those 3 gauges right there and it'd work really well. I don't know if they make slimline ones, but it's possible. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to go over this. like I said, get another look. This side looks really good. You can kind of see the gap between the carpet and stuff there. The other side doesn't fit quite as good because it's offset over to that side a little more, so there's a little bit more gap. But all in all, I am really happy with this design. So, yep. Later, guys.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the